Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at a rather odd Swiss Army knife. This is the Wenger Titanium Ueli Steck, and I'm pretty sure I mispronounced his name. It's Ueli Steck, and this is the Ueli Steck Titanium Swiss Army knife. And it looks different from pretty much any other Swiss Army knife ever so far. And let's take a look at the little booklet real quick. As you can see, you get the other languages. And the titanium line. There's good old Ueli. Alright. Let's take a look at the knife. So it comes with this little kind of feels like neoprene, like a neoprene sheath. And inside the neoprene sheath, you have the knife itself, and you have two bits. So take a look at the knife. It's got a couple of wrench options here, and when you open it, it's got a normal edge and a serrated edge, and it has a liner lock. I don't know if y'all heard when it opened. And for the liner lock, you can either press in the liner here, like so, and close it. You can also depress the shield on the handle, and that'll let it go. And it doesn't have any back tools, and it doesn't have any scale tools, except for it has a spot here where you can attach the bits if you want to use it to screw or unscrew things. Like so. Now, titanium, it has titanium scales. I don't think any other part of it is titanium. And with this, you also get a file, and you get the usual can opener and bottle opener tool. It has the usual flathead screwdriver, wire stripper, and bottle opener. It's kind of a nifty little knife. The blade is interesting, and it's supposed to be one-hand workable, so like so. I think probably with a little bit of practice it would be a bit easier to handle. So let's see. Let's try the one-hand opening thing again. Yeah, I can easily see that being something you can get used to, and you can even one-hand close it. So it's kind of cool. It's definitely an unusual-looking Swiss Army knife. What do you think? Neat? Just weird? Are you surprised Wenger went out of business and got absorbed by Victorinox? I feel like I didn't appreciate Wenger when they were around, because they have all these super weird Swiss Army knives that they made, and I feel like Wenger was just, they were willing to go for it. And if they needed to make a knife with a 2.5 foot long pointer on it, then they'd do it. But I don't know, I kind of miss them. I feel like I didn't appreciate them while they were here. Anyway, let me know what you think. You think this is an excellent everyday carry knife, or just sort of too weird? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.